Welcome everyone to another sword tutorial. Now this is the second part of the sword kata. Now these are some few steps. Watch it carefully and then I will show you the main thing. You can say the techniques. So here we go. So the first technique comes after a performing strike. If someone comes from behind, then go little forward to him. Swing your sword and hit in these positions. Now, look at this posture. You can use this posture to push your enemy away from you and make a safe distance. And you can use this stance or this posture in three ways. First, when someone comes from front side, then go back and perform a heavy attack on his lower portion or in his middle portion. If someone hit your sword, then you can swing and hit him back or swing and slash him. Now the final technique comes if someone attack you like this. This attack is very heavy and deadly, so use your sword as a shield and wait for the perfect time and then attack. And at the same time, if someone comes from behind, change your leg and attack him again. So this is it guys. Take care yourself and bye.